I'm Richard Elliot. I hold the Bill Jarrett Chair of Infectious Diseases in CVR. My group focuses on one family of viruses called Bunyaviruses. The Bunyavirus family is one of the largest and most diverse family of RNA viruses, well over 350 different members. And they infect humans, animals and plants. Most of the viruses are transmitted by arthropod vectors such as mosquitoes, other biting flies or ticks. And in common with many other arthropod transmitted viruses, they have the capability to replicate very efficiently in the vector without causing any damage. But then when they're passed on to their other host, they can cause severe disease. And for a virus that's got a very small genome with limited coding capacity, to me this is absolutely fascinating. And so the focus of our research is to understand at the molecular level the basis for this differential behavior in the different types of vector. One of the things we did nearly 20 years ago now was to develop a technique called reverse genetics. So this means we can actually manipulate the genome of the virus. We can make specific mutations. We can express other genes in the virus. We can make the virus express fluorescent proteins. And this has really revolutionized the study of these viruses and how we go about looking at how they replicate in invertebrate cells, and I'm trying to understand the differences therein. The CVR brings together this huge collection of virologists working on both animal and human viruses. So there's a huge wealth of expertise, not only in virology and the background of the viruses, but also in different techniques. And that means it's easy for us to, with a particular problem, to find someone who's got a technique going that we can then use in our own research. The other thing about CVR is the superb level of facilities and equipment available that really makes doing our job a lot easier. CVR is a really great place to work because not only all the facilities and that, there's a large number of young people who interact very well in and out of the lab. And Glasgow is just a great place to live. So if you're really interested in virology, you want to work hard, this is the place to come to in the UK.